USDC, should we convert our USDC to USDT? And we speak about the Silicon Valley Bank. What is going on? Let us start with USDC and I explain you what is happening here. You see here Circle, this is the company behind USDC. They wrote that 3.3 billion of USDC reserves remain at SVB, the Silicon Valley Bank. And what does it mean? It does mean, so this is the reason why USDC is depegging, but could right now, because Silicon Valley Bank is going to toilet, we know it after Silvergate, also Silicon Valley Bank, and could right now USDC go to zero? In my opinion, no. Not only because the connection to BlackRock and Goldman Sachs, I'm not expecting that USDC go to zero, also is too big to fail, but these are not the arguments. The real arguments are here. It's better written from here. Ethan Kravitz, this guy wrote it very, in my opinion, very precise. They can likely borrow against it, plus the 32 billion in their money market, earning 4.5% or 1.4 billion a year. Non-issue in my opinion. So in my opinion, this is obviously not nice. However, I don't expect that USDC go to zero. This was also the reason. However, not financial advice, do your own research. What I did right now, as we see here, wait a minute, I switching here quickly to USDC, USDT. As we saw here that USDC started to depegging. So what I did, I took advantage of it because we see right now USDC against USD is at 91 cents. So I converted my USDT to USDC and made 10%. I mean, this 10% I will only make obviously if USDC recovers. But as I expecting that USDC recovers, I converted it, right? So, and this also what I wrote in our Telegram group, which is absolutely for free. Here I wrote you, wait a minute, let me quickly go to the upside. I showed you here, and here I wrote converted some of my USDT to USDC and made 10% plus, expecting USDC to recover. Also very, very amazing news which came out is that here, wait a minute, by the way, I bought also more FXS on spot here at $7, and which amazing views we have here. 1 second, give me 1 second here. This was an amazing news. Binance trading USDC, USD opens in 4 hours. They are trying to help, hoping people with USDT will take the arbitrage. And this is quite bullish and amazing, bratans, in the midterm and long term, because this what shows us that the crypto industry is united, because you know that CZ has big issues with Circle, with the company behind USDC, right? And they banned all their USDC from Binance. However, they will right now open it. I think right now it's in about 2 hours. So to help USDC to recover, this is really amazing. And also I don't expect USDC to go to zero because it's only, man, it's 10% of their supply, which is right now lost in the Yoptomite in Silicon Valley Bank, you know, right? So also what I did, and please do your own research, it's not a financial advice. What I did, I sold part of my ETH position in USDC as it is nearly $1,600. You see, I mean, compared to USDT, it's $1,430, and in USDC it was at 1,587. This what I did. And also here I wrote in the Telegram group, I also sold some of my Bitcoin here, sold a part of my Bitcoin position on spot in USDC. Not a financial advice, always not financial advice, do your own research, because in USDT we have even a bigger gap. It's 2,100, and at USDC it's 22,231. So it's much bigger, 11% up. This was the reason why I did this, because I expecting USDC to recover. Again, not a financial advice. It could go to zero and I could lose all my money. So please do your own research. I explain you why I did it. I explain in the Telegram group. If you want, you can join it and watch it. It's absolutely for free. By the way, how to join it, I quickly explain you, but that's very easy. Link in description. Make a registration on Bybit. 10 seconds. Create this account on Bybit and deposit $500 on your Bybit account. You get free access to my Discord and Telegram channel. Now, what are the next steps and why I sold Bitcoin and Ethereum, Bratan? I can explain you exactly why I did this, because we have, in order to understand why I did this, we have to go in the charts. And by the way, what is amazing, it perfectly worked out what I explained to you yesterday. We saw here that we had touched the EMA 20, this the red line, this is the 20 moving average. We perfectly touched it. So if you took here a long position, you made here over 6.5% profits. Congratulations, Bratan. I told you it could be that we are retesting it, because it was obviously we were heavily oversold and we are still heavily oversold. So we could potentially touch even here 21K, right? On USD, I measure in USDC already at 22K, right? We are speaking here about USD, the dollar, right? Bitcoin against the dollar. So this could easily still happen. However, we changed the trend, right? We changed from bullish, from the bull mode. We switched on the 4-hourly into a bear mode, right? However, so what I expecting here? I explain you. So I expecting here, yes, potentially we could see this weekend, I mean tomorrow, we could see maybe a little more upside to 21K, but then I expecting that we are getting rejected. Why I expecting it? The first thing, yes, obviously because we changed the trend. The second thing, the technical price target from this double top, as I explained to you yesterday, the technical price target of this double top, which we are created here, you measure from the top to the downside, is here approximately, as I told you here, is approximately at $1,400. So I expecting here that we will see here another breakdown to $1,400, another 10% from here. If we're obviously going to 21K, it's even more drop. We could see even 12%. At least $1,400, $18,400 expecting, or we could even go to our monthly support at 17,200, because at 17,200, if I'm opening here the VPVR, 1 second, where's the VPVR? To my blood, the VPVR is not here. 1 second, I open the VPVR here, VPVR, where is it? Suka blood, where is it? 1 second, volume, no, was it this? 1 second, no, this is not. VPVR, why it's not here? 1 second. I changed in English. This is the reason. Where is it? Visible range. I think this was it. What the fuck, man? Okay, doesn't matter. I show you later, or you can watch the video yesterday. There's a big volume is coming at 70,200, 17,100 approximately. So therefore, I expecting here latest that we see here a bounce at the monthly support at 70,200, 70,100 to the upside. So this is where I preparing my long position. I preparing here long position at 18,400 and at 17,200. I will make sure that my stop loss is below 70K, maybe at 16,700, 16,600. That here is my stop loss. If you are in a short right now, Bratan, this is amazing. Maybe I will open also short to 18,400. Make sure that your stop loss, in my opinion, is even about the daily support, about 21,700 daily resistance, sorry, about above 21,800 to be sure, in my opinion. Why I expecting here also bounce? Because if we are opening here, what the fuck, too much indicators. We see here the RSI is forming on the daily a massive bullish divergence. You see here very clear, even if we are going here to the level of, wait a minute, even if we are going here to the level of the monthly support, the price would go up while the RSI would go down. So this is very, very bullish. However, Bratans, it also depends on the news, right? Because there are very important dates. Save the dates. I wrote also yesterday in the Telegram group. The 14th March, on the 14th March, we will see the CPI data will be revealed. And on the 15th March, the PPI. Very, very important. It all depends. The forecast for the CPI looks very good right now. So if we will fulfill it, so if it will match the forecast, which is very positive for the CPI, then we will see probably either a consolidation or a pump in the market, but for sure not a dump. However, if the CPI will be worse than expected, worse than the forecast, then we'll see even a bigger drop in the market. So yes, in case we are breaking down here the monthly support, then obviously if we're breaking 17,200, 17,100, then obviously I expecting that Bitcoin could go even lower to 15K or even to 8K. Why to 8K? Because we formed here on the big picture on the W, we formed here a double top, and obviously this double top will, if we are breaking here 16,200 approximately, the technical price target of this double top is here. We measure from the top to the downside approximately, right? The technical price target would be here around $17,400. And yes, I know people screaming, it's not possible, it's not possible. How it's not possible? Imagine USDC goes to zero. We see another bank, we see domino effect that one to another bank will fall. Then obviously Bitcoin can easily drop to 8K. However, in my opinion, it would be even amazing because we would see even Ethereum go to $200. And what we would see, we would see the lowest price in the history of crypto, of Bitcoin, Ethereum. This one I would buy even more. And I bought right now FXS. I wrote you in the Telegram group, bratans, just this little bit I'm trying to dollar cost average in coins, which I believe in. FXS got hit hard. Why? Because they connected with USDC. However, I'm expecting USDC to recover. Again, not financial advice. Please do your own research, bratans. In my opinion, this panic is amazing because we want to see this panic in order to see even a bigger recovery after this panic, right? This usually what happened in the history of the financial history. You can watch your own the financial history. It always happens, and you have to have dry powder to buy more on spot when we see these low prices to watch 2024, 2025. Always. Don't trade. Leverage is only with really small percentage. The big amount of money, in my opinion, this is what I'm doing. I'm buying on spot and watching for the long run 2024, 2025. This is the reason why I sold Bitcoin, Ethereum right now to buy it back here at these levels when we're reaching here. When we're reaching here this level of 18,400, when we're reaching 17,000, this when I buy it back, right? Because right now I sold it here at 22,000, right? And we bought it at 16K. Also Ethereum here, I expecting here, we bought Ethereum here at $800 even here back in the past. We bought it here at around $1,000 and we bought it here at around $900. So we made amazing profits here. If we are measuring here at right now, I sold it at $1,580, 53%. We made profit here. And obviously I'm expecting here Ethereum to drop even further down to 1,314. And then the big price target is here. What we could drop after the Shanghai update, we could even drop to $640. I don't expect it, but if it would be amazing, then I buy it back. I will constantly buying back as we are going down to $1,300. Then the next support $1,230, $1,160. Then at 1,100, I will buy constantly a little bit of Ethereum again back to make profits, bratans. Thank you everyone for watching. If you appreciate these videos and if you want to see when I'm buying more altcoins or when I'm buying Ethereum again, Bitcoin, when I'm jumping into long or short, you can watch in the Telegram channel. How to join the Telegram channel, I can explain you quickly again. Very easy, link in the description. Make a registration on Bybit, 10 seconds, deposit $500 on your Bybit account and you get free access to my Discord and Telegram channel. It costs you really 20-30 seconds, but you get the most valuable information out in the crypto world for free, in my opinion. Even the paid groups don't provide this valuable information, bratans. Thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you and I see you later. Mwah.